Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my experiences and journey with you. You can follow along on this journey by hitting that subscribe and like button, and do leave a comment regarding my experience and your experience. Today we will be making this very delicate looking 5-petal flower. It looks like jasmine flower of my country. You might think it is jellyfish because of the way its petals are curling up, but it's more because of the choice of yarn. I like to make them in this delicate lace weight yarn to mimic the real flowers, but you can use whatever yarn you want. For the sake of video, I'll be using this medium to lightweight yarn, and this flower is very easy. All you need to know is chain, half double, double and picot stitch. Picot stitch is nothing difficult, it's just making a slip stitch after 3 stitches or 5 stitches as instructed by the pattern, and we will be making picot stitch of 3 chains. So it's a very easy flower and you can make them plenty in a very short time. So join me today as I make my jasmine flower. For the video I will be using this medium to lightweight yarn in cream color. Let's start by making a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join first and last stitch with a slip stitch and chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn your chain, and in the third stitch, third back hump, you will make a picot stitch. So you will insert, to make picot stitch, insert your crochet hook in the back hump, wrap yarn around your crochet hook and slide it through the 2 loops. This is your picot stitch, and in the next stitch again we will make a slip stitch, wrap yarn, and in the next 8 stitches you will make double crochet and half double. We will start by making a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the last stitch a half double. Then in this chain 5 circle we will make a slip stitch, and this is our first petal. We'll start the next petal by making chain 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again in the third stitch, 1, 2, 3, in the back hump we will make slip stitch to make picot stitch. In the next stitch, one more slip stitch, And now we will make 4 double crochets. Because we have to use the back humps, I'm using a smaller hook because it's easier. I find it convenient to use a smaller hook if I have to use crochet in the back humps for a longer period of time. So after making 4 double crochets, we'll make 1 half double, and in the chain 5 we will slip stitch. Remember to keep the orientation of your petals same. I will explain it with the next petal. Chain 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Picot stitch, slip stitch, and double crochet. Four and half double. Now your petals are going here and there. Check what is the right side of your petal, because there is a slight difference between the right and wrong side of your double crochets. So make sure all of your petals have similar right side, and keeping that in front of you, make a slip stitch to hold your petal in place, and we move on to the 4th petal. After making your 5 petals, cut your yarn and secure the edge. The petals do have a mind of their own, especially in this lightweight yarn, but in a medium weight they do behave. Let's weave in the end. Simply go in the double crochet of the petals and pull the yarn. This is the final look of our jasmine, our 5-petal flower using only picot, stitch, chain, double crochet and half double. Have fun making this delicate flower in variety of colors and yarn, and see which one you like the best, and let me know if you like this jasmine flower in lightweight yarn or in medium. And I'll see you next time with another video. Do leave a comment and like and subscribe to my videos and channel, and take care.